Kings finalizing trade to send De'Aaron Fox to Spurs and blockbuster multi-team deal for Zach LaVine. Yo, that's crazy. So we gotta take a look at XRP first because XRP is pulling back hard right now. I think it did this before though. In prior, I could be wrong. I mean, if we go back to, yeah, look at this. We go back to 2017. XRP had a pullback, put in its high. Had another sharp pullback. Then it ultimately retraced to the 786. Kept going down. I don't want to add text while doing that. I don't know. I just feel like we gotta see what happens. It eventually. I mean, these are days, but before it broke out, that was 200 days before it broke out again. So it's possible we get something like that, where like XRP goes back to I mean, it could even bounce right here, but it's possible that it bottoms out over here, retraces back to like, $3. Everybody thinks it's going to put in a new high, but then it just keeps going sideways for a few months and then breaks out again towards the end of the year. That's always possible. But I don't know. I mean, I think XRP might be going down to its 20-week moving average. That's always possible. Like at $1.60. By the time it gets there, it'll be a little higher. So we got to see what happens. I mean, it went up so fast, it can also go down just as fast too. But I don't know. I mean, prior all-time highs at $1.97. Oh, no, I'm sorry. No. It's already below it. So, I don't know. We're going to see. But that'd be crazy if it just puts in a top. If it just put in a top. If this January top was the top for the cycle, that would be pretty crazy. But at the same time, people were expecting like these crazy predictions. I just, I don't know. But Bitcoin though is at 94K. And I feel like this week is going to be decision week. In my opinion, we might see Bitcoin go back down to its 20-week moving average, It's very possible. 88K, sub 90K sounds scary, but people got to remember the price was, the price has really been the same for the past 2 months. So, I don't know. But the question is, if it goes back down to the 20-week, what does it do after that? Does it bounce and hold it? Or are we going to go down to... So, like, one thing that could happen is maybe Bitcoin goes down to the 20-week and then, like, there might be some, like, bad news that makes it not hold, And then maybe if there's no bad news, that'll just be, it can catch a bid and bounce and start putting in new highs. That's one thing that I feel like could happen, but I'm not really going to try to predict all that. I'm really ready for anything. I'm even ready for it to go back down to the 60s too. I don't really, it'd be a little scary, but I'm getting ready to buy at around 75K. 76K most likely. It depends how long it takes, but Ethereum though is not really doing good. It's kind of what I expected though. I just didn't expect ETH Bitcoin to really be this low in February. But, the Fed hasn't shifted the QE. I think that's what's stopping these altcoins from turning around. But we're going to have to see. The market's definitely pricing something in. And the market's definitely red right now. This week is going to be an interesting week. There's a lot going on. I mean, the 10-year is the 10-year still breaking out? All right, so that was January. I mean, I don't know. This is going to be an interesting week. We got to see what the 10-year does. XRP is down 11% just in a few hours. It's pretty crazy. Damn, SNX I've been following for so long, and it's just crazy that... Now, I'm not going to lie, though. If SNX goes down to, like... If it really crashes and goes down to, like, 76 cents or something like that, I'll probably buy some just because. I mean, look at the Bitcoin pair. You see, the Bitcoin pair is getting where it was in 2018, 2019. That could be a good range to buy it. But I just wonder, like, two things. First off, if SNX puts in a double bottom, like around here on its Bitcoin pair, I'll most likely pick some up. I think that'll be a decent range to buy. It's always possible that it breaks down lower, but I just feel like after waiting all these years, like literally, on its Bitcoin pair, that was August in 2020. That's a long time ago. That's like 4.5 years ago that it's been pretty much trending down against Bitcoin. But after all these years, if it can put in like a nice double bottom, form a base around here at this range where it was back in 2018, 2019, I would take the risk and buy some, hoping that maybe it can get a move up. I'm definitely going to keep my eye on that. It's not guaranteed, but I feel like it's something worth watching for, but not really counting on. Because even if it can get a nice rally from this level, I mean, even if it goes back up to here, that's a nice 340% against Bitcoin. That's really not bad. So we could see that. I want to see how much... I want to see the market cap of SNX. See if it's a lot. I know it's definitely up there. Oh, wow, 400 million. It's not even $500 million. This coin used to be a lot. This coin's market cap used to be... Yeah, I mean, back in 2021, it was $3 billion, Pretty crazy how these altcoins just die over time. But, I mean, hey, we could, think about it. If it actually goes back up to its 200-week moving average, that's a 900% move against Bitcoin. That would be really good, but I'm not going to count on that. AVAX actually kept going down and went below. It's a good thing I didn't buy AVAX. I was going to buy some, but I mean, it's always possible that it does bottom out around here and it doesn't keep going lower, but this was a range that I looked at for a long time. It went back down to it, but then it started going a little bit lower. I don't know about AVAX. I mean, Link Bitcoin is pretty interesting because Link Bitcoin never really could seem to catch a bid. It just kept putting a lower and lower low. But we'll see if it holds this 20-week moving average. It really depends what the Fed does, though. If the Fed doesn't start QE, then these altcoins are gonna have a really rough time. But BNB was one of the better coins over the past few years, but it's still struggling a tiny bit. ADA Bitcoin, I don't know if it looks like, it reminds me of Link Bitcoin, but I got a few other coins too. I got I wanna look at Sol. The Sol Bitcoin pair is struggling. Put in this top in March, but I mean, something like Sol, like this looks like the ETH Bitcoin pair. I mean, look at this. Look at this, right? And then look at ETH Bitcoin. It's almost like the same thing, except ETH Bitcoin broke down and kept going lower. Just something interesting. I feel like if Sol were to break down like that, a lot of people would be upset. I'll tell you that. A lot of people are not expecting that either, but I don't know about that. We'll see. I'm going to take a look at some other coins. Like Anchor is something, a random coin that I bought a little while ago. It's not doing too bad on its USD pair. It is down at the range lows. But let's look at the Anchor Bitcoin pair. Yeah, the Bitcoin pair is not doing good at all. This is one that I'm kind of taking an L on so far, but I'm not too worried about it. I don't have that much money in it. What about SEI? This coin has been getting wrecked, bro. Holy crap. But, I mean, it's the way the market works. SEI. Yeah, this one's just putting in new lows against Bitcoin. Something that I'm just going to hold, but Hollow. Hollow's not getting killed, but it's like, Oh, it actually broke down. That's pretty crazy. It's pretty interesting, I'll tell you that. Core Chain USD. Oh my god. Core Chain is getting destroyed. Yo, I didn't even see this, but I've had this coin for a little bit. But I almost feel like buying more just to be a degen. Like, how much lower can it, I almost feel like just buying more just to be a degen. You know what I'm saying? 49. $47. Yo, this thing's getting wrecked though, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what's good. The market cap is 400 million. The supply is not like crazy. I almost feel like buying more. I don't know why. Like, I got a feeling like it might recover and just go crazy, but I don't know though. With these altcoins, it's just I think there's another one that there's like a few more. I know I have Sui. I'm gonna look at Sui. I'm gonna look at Sui because Sui's definitely my. Oh, Athena too. We gotta look at Athena. I mean, they're all down, but I just want to see the Bitcoin pair if it's at least holding up a little bit. I got more faith in Athena this cycle for sure. The Bitcoin pair looks like the USD pair. I got more faith in Athena. You know, I might actually pick up some more Athena as well as Sui too, because the thing with Sui is that the market cap is a little higher, so any like discount I'll take in a sense, but I don't know though. We gotta, you know, it's just under $3. It's falling below the 20-week. I mean, realistically, this thing could go back down to $2.30. It could go, hell, it could even go lower, but let's look at the Bitcoin pair. The Bitcoin pair is, it's definitely struggling. I'll tell you that. I want to just cover the screen real quick so I can log into this wallet. I definitely am not. Definitely not doing that on stream. Nope. How is my Sui wallet still what it is? Where if the price is down, it's almost like I got more Sui somehow. To what? I don't understand how the prices. I don't even know, dude. $3. Yeah, see. I almost feel like buying more though. I'm gonna be honest. Buy. Receive. What's the market cap? The market cap is 9 billion. You know, honestly, sometimes I just think like if the market cap goes to 100 billion this cycle, I'll be so hyped. I'm not gonna lie, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. It's, you know, we're gonna have to see, but I might just do it honestly. Off stream though, not now. I think those are the only coins that I really. I mean, Athena, I could stack up more Athena too. I do like Athena, but I'm just not a like. I almost feel like trading my E for that shit. I'm not trading no Bitcoin for altcoins though. I'll tell you that. Just because I don't know when these altcoins are gonna bottom, I'd rather just spend cash and do that. But if I'm not mistaken, I have. I don't know. We gotta see. I'll most likely buy more Sui like tonight, tomorrow, stack up because this is the lowest it's been ever since I bought it. I did buy it a little low, I'm not gonna lie, but I feel like getting in on it at this price under $3, especially if it goes below like where it is now. I mean, if Sui can go to like 230. Oh, this thing is going down. That's crazy. Yo, this shit is down 18% in 15 minutes. That's crazy. I didn't even realize that. Yo, that's mad funny. We just started looking at this at like the perfect time, but I don't know. Maybe I should buy some right now then. I don't know. 260. Coin is so volatile though. Like, yo, that's actually crazy though. Like this was the perfect time to start this stream because just this 15-minute candle is down 12%. I don't know. I think I'm gonna buy some more in the stream though. I just wanted to take a look at some of these coins. The S&P is currently not doing the best, but it's still at the highs. It's gonna open the week at 6,000. 20-week moving averages at 5,900. We'll see what happens this week. We also have to take a look at the unemployment rate and see what it comes in at on Friday. But I'm about to end the stream.